Hello friends. So we have discussed about pronouns in last video. So here I have written one table. So you can see different kinds of pronoun. The first is subject pronoun, object pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, and possessive adjectives. So you have one fixed in your mind. I have written possessive adjective here. आपको ये क्वेश्चन होगा कि मैंने पॉजिटिव एडजेक्टिव यहाँ पे क्यों लिखा है, तो मोस्टली हमें कंफ्यूजन होता है पॉजिटिव प्रोनाउन एंड पॉजिटिव एडजेक्टिव में। तो आप देखो कि जो पॉजिटिव एडजेक्टिव वो भी प्रोनाउन की जैसे लग रहे हैं, तो आपको कहाँ पे यूज करना है, कहाँ पे यूज नहीं करना है, वो आप यहाँ आपको पता चल जाएगा अभी। तो जैसे कि आपको पता है कि 3 पर्सन है, ठीक है, फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन एंड थर्ड पर्सन। फर्स्ट पर्सन में आई फील, I and we, second person में you, and the third person में he, she, it और they आता है, वो सबको पता ही है। ओके, so we will see here first person singular, subject pronoun I, first person plural, subject pronoun we, second person singular, subject pronoun you, second person plural, subject pronoun you, थर्ड पर्सन मेल, आपको बताइए मेल के लिए हम यूज करते हैं। सो थर्ड पर्सन मेल ही, थर्ड पर्सन फीमेल शी, थर्ड पर्सन थिंग इट एंड थर्ड पर्सन प्लूरल दे। ओके, सो आई वी यू इस सिंगुलर के लिए, मींस फॉर प्लूरल, ही शी इट एंड दे। इट वी यूज फॉर थिंग, फॉर एनिमल, फॉर बर्ड्स एटसेट्रा। ओके, you know this very well. So subject pronoun, when we use pronoun as a subject, we put these pronouns. Okay, when we use pronoun as a subject, we use subject pronoun. When we use pronoun as an object, we use object pronoun, or we can say objective pronoun. Okay, subjective pronoun we can say also, and we can say also objective pronoun. So if we use pronoun as an objective pronoun or object pronoun, we put here me, us, we have we, you, then you, he, so him, her, it and them. Okay, when we use pronoun as an objective pronoun in sentence, we put me, us, you, him, her, it and them. Mostly we use object pronoun or objective pronoun in passive voice. When we use passive voice or passive sentence, we use these pronouns. Okay, for example, the letter is written by him, the letter is written by him, so by somebody else, so or by me or by us. When we use about plural pronouns, by us, okay, by it, by them. So this is called objective pronoun and we use in a passive voice also. The third one is possessive pronoun. Okay, so possessive pronoun means you owe something. Okay, something belongs to you. For example, mine, okay, ours, yours, his, hers, its and theirs. So these are possessive pronoun. For example, if I have to say, if I want to say something that this book is mine, okay, so the book is belongs to me. This book is mine, so I can say this book is mine. So mine is possessive pronoun. Okay, the next is reflexive pronoun. So you already learned in last video. I have told you about reflexive pronoun, which are the reflexive pronoun. So myself, when we put self or selves after pronoun, it is called reflexive pronoun. Okay, for example, myself, ourselves, yourself, okay, yourselves, himself, herself, itself and themselves. If the pronoun is when we want to talk about singular, we use self. When we talk about plural, we use selves. Okay, myself, ourselves, yourself, yourselves. When we are talking about something second person, if singular, we use yourself, and if the second person is plural, we use yourselves. Himself, herself, itself, and themselves. Okay, this is very easy. You can understand very well. So that's why we are going very fast. The last is possessive adjectives. Okay. So which are the possessive adjectives? My, our, your, his, her, its, and their. Okay. So these are called possessive adjectives. So you have to remember this very well. So you don't make any mistake in examination or when you write in the sentence. Okay. So ये हो गए pronouns की बात हो गई. लास्ट वीडियो में हमने ऑलरेडी डिटेल में we already discussed about pronoun in detail. So these are possessive adjectives. What is the difference between possessive pronoun and possessive adjectives? So, as I told you, for example, I want to say this car is mine. This car is mine, and this is my car. So when I use mine is a possessive pronoun. When I say this is my car, so this is called possessive adjective. Okay. Mostly we use possessive pronoun at the end of the sentence. Okay. Mostly we use possessive pronoun at the end of the sentence. So this is pronoun. Now we will go to the next topic, and it is verb. Yeah, so let's discuss about one more new topic. It's a verb. You know very well what is verb. So a verb is a word used to express an action or state. Okay. A verb is very important word in a sentence. बहुत ही important word है sentence में. For example, we can see here the verb tells us what. So what a person or thing does. For example, she smiles. So smiles here is a verb. The dog barks. Okay, so barks is a verb. Next, what is done to a person or thing? Okay, what is done to a person or thing? For example, students are asked. The cup was broken. So students are asked. उनको पूछा गया. So are asked and was broken. It's a verb. What a person or thing is. For example, I am sorry. So here am is a verb. The cat is dead. So is a verb. So these are called the forms of to be. To be के forms आपको पता ही है. Am is are was were. So these are also used as a verb sometimes. So we have seen the verb tells us what. So a person or thing does. What is done to a person or thing. And what a person or thing is. Now we will discuss about transitive verb and intransitive verb. What is transitive verb? What is intransitive verb? Okay. So here we have two examples. The boy kicks the football. The boy kicks actively. Okay. We have two examples here. The boy kicks the football and the boy kicks actively. Actually, if you say here, the boy kicks the football. Kick is a verb here. Subject, the boy is a subject. Kick is a verb, and the football is a object. So when a verb needs an object, okay, when a verb needs an object, it is called transitive verb. Okay, when a verb needs or a verb takes an object, it is called transitive verb. And when a verb doesn't take or doesn't need any object, it is called intransitive verb. So here kicks is a transitive verb because it needs an object, and the boy kicks actively. We don't have any object here. Okay, we can see here the subject. Okay, this is verb. Okay, actively. This is an adverb. So the verb kicks actively. So we don't need any object here. So this is called intransitive verb. Here kicks is an intransitive verb and kicks here is a transitive verb. So I hope you are already clear. आपको क्लियर हो जाएगा कि ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब किसको कहते हैं और इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब किसको कहते हैं. Now in some sentence we have two objects. Okay, in some sentence we have two objects. How? He gives me a money. So you can say here gives. So is a verb. Okay, this is subject. Money is object, and me is also object. Okay, so we have two objects here. He gives me money. तो जब दो ऑब्जेक्ट एक सेंटेंस में हो तो the receiver is called indirect object. Okay, the receiver is called, or the person or the animal is called indirect object. For example, here he gives me. Who is the receiver? Me. He gives me money. So the receiver is called indirect object, and the thing is called direct object. Okay. For example, she gave him a good painting. She gave him a good painting. So यहाँ पे subject again, verb, object, other object. So thing we call direct object. Direct object हो गया, and thing is a indirect object. Third one is he wrote me a letter. He wrote me a letter. Now it's very easy for you to find out who is subject, is subject, verb, and this is object. Okay, we have two objects. So the receiver is indirect object, me is indirect object, and letter is direct object. Okay. One more example, his father gave him a watch. His father gave him a watch. So again, indirect object, and watch is a direct object. Now, as you know very well, we have three persons: first person, second person, and third person. As we already discussed in pronoun section. According to the person, we change the form of verb. Okay. For example, if we use second person, so if we want to say he speaks English, so we use S with the word. He speaks English. Okay, this you know very well. So now we are going to discuss about one main topic about verb when we use in tenses. Okay, वर्ब मोस्टली हम टेंस में यूज करते हैं. ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है. आपको पता ही होगा कि वर्ब के मेन थ्री फॉर्म्स है: बेस फॉर्म, पास्ट फॉर्म, एंड पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म. यू कैन से V1, V2 एंड V3. आप बहुत सालों से ये पढ़ के आ चुके हो. V1 किसको कहते हैं, V2 किसको कहते हैं, V3 किसको कहते हैं. ओके, so we have two main verbs: regular verb and irregular verb. Okay, regular verb and irregular verb. What is regular verb? So when we use D, ED, IED with the verb, it is called, when we convert into past or past participle, we use D, ED and IED, it is called regular verb. जिसके पीछे हम मोस्टली ED लगाते हैं. सब वर्ब के पीछे जब पास्ट फॉर्म या पास्ट पार्टिसिपल यूज करते हैं, हम उसको कन्वर्ट करते हैं, तो वर्ब के पीछे हम ED लगाते हैं. तो जब ED या फिर IED ऐसे लगाते हैं तो उसको हम बोलते हैं रेगुलर वर्ब. ओके, एंड इरेगुलर वर्ब इसमें कोई रूल्स नहीं, कुछ फिक्स नहीं है, इसका पैटर्न फिक्स है, ठीक है। और इसका पैटर्न कुछ फिक्स नहीं, ठीक है। इरेगुलर वर्ब जितने भी है वो आपको, और जो रेगुलर वर्ब है, तो रेगुलर वर्ब में आपको यू कैन इजीली आइडेंटिफाई व्हिच इज रेगुलर वर्ब व्हेन वी यूज डी, ईडी एंड आईडी। इरेगुलर वर्ब इसमें कुछ फिक्स नहीं है, उसमें वर्ब के फॉर्म्स डिफरेंट तरीके से चेंज होते जाते हैं, ठीक है। वो देखिए हम कैसे। सो इफ यू टॉक अबाउट रेगुलर वर्ब व्हेन वी यूज डी, ईडी एंड आईडी, in some verb we use d, ed and id, which are they? For example, यहाँ पे आप past base form, past form and past participle, okay। इसके पीछे हम लगाते हैं डी, ओके। फॉर एग्जांपल लाइक, जो वर्ड के पीछे ई हो तो उसके पीछे हम लगाते हैं डी। लाइक का हो जाएगा पास्ट फॉर्म लाइक एंड लाइक, ओके। अदर एग्जांपल एग्री, so agree and agree, okay। so हमने सिर्फ लगाया d and d, उसके when we convert into past form and in past participle, or you can say v2 form and v3 form, we put only d with verb, okay। so this is called regular verb using with d। the other one is ed, जो मोस्टली हम ज्यादा यूज करते हैं, रेगुलर वर्ब में ईडी जब लगाते हैं तो वो हम ज्यादा यूज करते हैं। बहुत सारे ऐसे वर्ड, फॉर एग्जांपल प्ले, 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 ओके। so प्ले, 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 पेंट, पेंटेड and painted, so we use ed here, okay। ed लगाया हमने, प्ले के पीछे प्लेड, प्लेड, ed लगा प्लेड हो गया, प्लेड हो गया। उसका when we convert into past tense and past participle, one more ask, so ask and ask, okay, got it। the next is when we use IED, कुछ ऐसे वर्ब है जिसके पीछे हम IED लगाते हैं मोस्टली जब the verb ends with consonant y। for example cry, 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 okay। तो यहाँ पे cry को y को हटा के हम IED लगाते हैं in the form of past form and past participle form, okay। study, study and study, okay। so I will लगाना study, studied and studied। so this all regular or forms you have to learn, okay। there is no any particular rule or you have to learn everything, you have to remember all these verbs, all three forms of verb, okay। so this is regular verb। now we will discuss about irregular verb, which are the irregular verbs। okay, so yeah, in irregular verb we have four kinds of groups in irregular verb, in four different groups। all the different groups we will change the verb pattern. For example, we use here base form, past form and past participle. Okay, past participle form. Some words don't change when we convert into past form and past participle form. All three forms are the same. Okay. For example, put. So put, when you convert into past form, it is also put. When you convert into past participle form, it is also remain put. Okay. So put. When all three forms are same. For example, cut. Okay. Shut. Heat. So these are all three forms are same. Okay. In group 2, this is group 1. In group 2, the past form and past participle form are same. Okay. For example, buy, bought, the same, bought. Buy, bought. So in base form, when we use buy, when we convert into past form, it will become bought, and the same in past participle form, same in the three forms. So this is group 1. When the two of the forms are same, the past form and past participle form are same. Okay, buy, bought. Other example, sit, sat. Okay, sit, sat. One more, tell, told. Okay, tell becomes told becomes told in past participle form. So some verbs you can say it changes only in past form, and the same we use in past participle form. Okay, when the two forms are same and one is different. Okay, so buy, bought, sit, sat, tell, told. Okay, this is group 1. Sorry, group 2. Now we will discuss about group 3. When the base form and the past participle form, okay, are same. Base form, past form, and this is PP. Okay. So, for example, come, came, and what is the past participle form? Same, base form, come. Come, came, come. Okay. So when some verbs you can see here, the base form and the past participle form are the same. Another example, become, became, and become. Okay. So here also the base form and the past participle form are same, only the past form is changing. So this all you have to learn. This all you have to remember, all the verbs. Okay, all the irregular verbs and irregular verbs. You have to remember. You have to fix in your mind. And the last group, when all three forms are different. All the three forms are. So this is group 3, and the 4 is all three forms are different. For example, fall will become fell, and what is the past participle? Fall, fell. fallen. Okay, so these three forms are different. Forgive, it will become forgave in past form, and if you will convert into past participle form, be forgiven. Okay, so fall, fail, fallen, forgive, forgave, forgiven, all the three forms are different. Okay, and the last one is plan, will become flew and flung. Okay, so ये तो सिर्फ मैंने 3 एग्जाम्पल पर यहाँ पे लिखे, 2 एग्जाम्पल्स लिखे, बहुत सारे हैं. There are so many examples you can find out in any kind of book. So you have to find out and you have to learn all the verbs and all the 3 forms of the verbs. It is very useful to you when you are going to prepare for any exam, in competitive exam also. So you have to remember all the 3 forms of verbs. Okay, so we have discussed about verb, transitive verb, intransitive verb. Sometimes we can see 2 objects in the sentence. Okay, so when the receiver, it is called indirect object, the thing is called direct object, and we have seen 2 kinds of verbs, regular verbs and irregular verbs. Regular verbs, you know, when we use D, CD or IED, and irregular verbs, we have seen 4 kinds of groups. So this is verb. Now in next video we will discuss about adverb and the other parts of speech. Thank you so much.